Hi everyone. So today we're going to discuss about one of the new function in GL application. So the task is how to create account group in GL application in Oracle Fusion Cloud. So navigation part, general accounting, and the general accounting dashboard. So what is the advantage of using this function by the business users? So the main purpose or uses of this functionality, the business users can create their own accounting groups to validate accounting balances for the specific period of natural accounts. So they can create their own account groups. Example, expenses or any fixed assets related information or any of the expenses related things or any category of the things, they can create their own accounting groups. Example, another example is actuals versus budget. Likewise, okay, if they want to compare any of the natural accounts of the balances for the specific period, they can create their these groups. So let's get into application. Go to home page, navigator, general accounting. Under that, general accounting dashboard. Dashboard always stands for where we can see the information at the screen, where the business users can take a immediate action or they can take a action against all the open activities on the screen. So here, this page has categorized their multiple sections. One is account monitor, intercompany transactions, and journals, and close status. Close status nothing but stands for period close status. For that, you can use this particular dashboards. So go top. Here I can see account monitor. So this is the section can be used by the our business users at any point of time to analyze the balances. So how should we create groups? Let's go to task now. See here, there is a task called as a inquiry and reporting. So here you can see there are two functionalities are available: inquiry and analyze balances. Inquire on detailed balances. Where should we use these two different tasks? The first one, if you go and click on this task, inquiry and analyze balances, this is the page will be landing after click on the task. So right hand side, you can see all the page level dimensions. So these things coming from your SBase cubes. Okay, so chart of account which is interlink, company, line of business, cost center, product, intercompany, ledger, so on, so on. Right. So if you want to see now any of the natural account, or if you want to see the balances for the specific code combination, which already been captured the accounting entries. In that case, go and click on hyperlink. Once you click on hyperlink, this page will land. Okay, here I can see ledger set. So ledger set where the business user has the data access for the specific ledger that you can choose from the list of values. If the user has multiple ledger access, then they can choose which ledger they want to go for it. And from accounting period, which accounting period you want to search the data, that you can provide over here. And currency, basically you can give your functional currency, which are where we are recording the transactions by using the currency code. Currency type, total, scenario, actual, and company. This is the stands for your chart of account structure of the segments. So now I have given here 101 and line of business is 10 and account natural account is 11,200. So now I want to see the balance for this particular code combination in the this period, December period. Okay, so click on search now. So here I see that like yeah. So here I can see there is only one transaction is available in that particular period. So beginning balance and period activity and balances. So beginning balance is coming from the your previous period closing balance as a opening balance for current period. And period activity, this is most important. So period activity in the sense, the December 1st December to 31st, 1st December to 31st December, how many transactions are being captured? That balance we can call as a period activity over here. If you want to see the more information, what are the entries got posted in this particular code combination, you can go and click on hyperlink for the drill down the balances. If you go and click on it, these are the four entries got created. Okay, so likewise you can understand the values over here. Click on done and ending balance. Ending balance will come. So this plus this equal to this value. So likewise you can use inquiry on analyze balances. Click on done. Click on done. Here, it's account monitor is the right. So here, how should we use this particular one? If you want to create your own group, let's say, click on view tab. Under this, you can see account group. Click on account group. So now you can see there are multiple groups got created by the various users. Create, edit, manage, actual versus budget, budget upload, global revenue, joint venture expenses. So if I go and click on any of them, okay, let's say example, I want to see the balances for actual versus budget. This is my account group. Click on that. You can see the what is the code combination pertains to that account group. So it is bringing the data for you. Actual, this is the total value, budgeted value, and what is the change of the difference. So likewise, we can create our own account groups. So these groups can be used for the business users to understand or comparing the data for the previous period to current period. Okay, so that is where you can say as an account monitor. If you want to create a new group, click on group, create, says that IBM expenses. So who is the owner for this report? Display, and which section you want to display this particular group. We have multiple sections over here. Account monitor, allocation, close monitor, expenses, revenue. I will give as a account monitor. If you want to set defaulter, we can set as a defaulter. And time option, according period or quarter, which type of like things you want to see that, either quarterly or monthly or it is yearly. So comparison option, either you want to do that prior year or like budget PTD or like so prior YTD level or PTD level, quarter to date, whichever you want, you can choose that. And access, if you want to access this report only by you, then you can keep it as a private. If you want to share across your teammates, then you can go and click on or choose as public. So now click on plus symbol to create a account group. So I can give as again here IBM expense. So select ledger. Under which ledger you want to see the balances. Select that ledger name and choose segment values 101. Time being, I'm giving as a, this is the my line of business value, and account code is, example, I'm giving saying that I'll choose any one account random basis. So let me take any one. Accounts receivable. Say okay. But since I have given as expenses, but I'm taking as a demo purpose some different account over here, and choose cost center as a 000. Product will be same as 000, and intercompany as same as 000. And then thresholds, you can leave it off. Click on save. The moment when you go and click on save, this particular group will be displayed under account monitor place. Save and close. See now, what is the name you created that we can see. See, you can see here. So the particular account, okay, for this particular account, this is the total balances for last year and current year. I mean to say December 2022, December 2023. So what is the difference? So what is the change here? We can see, so minus 426.6% has got decreased comparatively last year to current year. Likewise, we can see this like monitoring the account groups. So if you want to see any existing account group which has been created by any users, you can go and click on again account group. From list of values, you can see that. So monthly revenue, just go and click on that. We can see the values for that. Yeah. So this is the name of the account group, ledger, and this is the company code, natural accounts, and you can see the comparison. So 2023 December, this is the total value generated, and the prior to here, this is the total value. Prior to here it was 28, and here you can see 23. It got reduced, right? So the difference it is showing as a here 5 lakhs 47. Yeah, 5 lakhs 42. Sorry, 54 lakhs 27,000. Likewise, you can see that. So these particular functionality can be used by your business users and day-in-day life to see or analyze their balances of the natural accounts. Yeah. So that's all about account groups to create. Thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe and share. Thank you.